Agile estimation, relative sizing, and not absolute dates. Greetings from David Betzold. As leaders, we've all been there. A project hinges on only this one, seemingly unalterable date. We ask our teams for a guaranteed time frame, and they respond with some number that feels safe and comforting. We take that specific number as a promise, and when eventually things go south, delays, unforeseen roadblocks, changes of plan, we beat ourselves up. This is the myth of total precision. It is the old way of working, a throwback to when we could try and organize or predict the unpredictable. Yet, in the rapidly changing environment we live in today, hanging our hats on inflexible timelines is the opposite of demonstrating control. It's a recipe for burnout and stagnation, the power of relative sizing. What if the key to forming a resilient, high-performing team is in learning to love unpredictability as opposed to offering dates? It's the basis of the agile philosophy, and that's where relative sizing comes into play. Rather than inquiring, how many days will we spend doing this, we're asking, how big is this challenge relative to the other one? This shift from time to complexity brings a new argument onto the scene. It takes us out of a mode of hardness and obligations and turns us toward a relationship, a shared understanding and trust. With the aid of tools such as story points, we get mutual understanding of what it really means beyond a mere value. This allows hazards to be identified and dependencies to be made clear, and it allows teams to adapt in real time. A leader's new compass. For those in charge, it's more than just another trick to gauge. It is a compass for new leadership. It tells us to trust our teams. When we stop asking for a fake level of precision, we are able to trust and empower our staff with their knowledge and judgment. To celebrate adaptability, our plans are rooted in insight, not in deadlines, so we can reprioritize and pivot as needed. Reversing the value process. The conversation moves from when will this be finished to what's the most important thing we can deliver next. The best leaders are those who create teams and systems that can adapt to the future, not ones who can forecast the future perfectly. I would like to hear what you think. As a team, what's a habit you all have that helps you be beyond then and not just up to the deadline? Let us know in the comments.